React operating system is a free and open source operating system based on the Windows NT architecture, providing support for existing application and drivers, and an alternative with the current dominant consumer's operating system. Compatibility with Microsoft Server 2020 is the ReactOS design goal. So, yung ReactOS is a free open source operating system at based siya sa Microsoft NT version na pinibus ng Microsoft noong 2003. And also, ReactOS is supported by Microsoft Server. React operating system features. ReactOS is able to run Windows software. ReactOS is able to run Windows drivers. ReactOS looks like Windows. ReactOS is free and open sources. So sa ReactOS, kaya niyang i-run dito yung mga Windows software kagaya ng mga Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint at iba pa. Same din sa mga Windows drivers, kaya niyang i-operate sa ReactOS.
So yun na pag-usapan naman natin is yung compatible. So sa compatible naman. So change your OS, not your software. So ano nga ba yung OS? Yung OS, ito yung kinokolekta yung program na matugma sa lahat na nangyayari sa computer hardware device. So yung software naman is yung nag-manage ng resources at inaalaw yung user may pag-interact sa system. So next naman is isa siyang open source implementation ng NT architecture, and yung goal niya is gumawa ng NT-like operating system. It comes with Win32 subsystem, ay yung nag-contain ng console, pati na din yung text window support. So, shutdown and hard error handling for all other environment systems. So, yung secure naman is Windows NT is secured by design. Ito yung first mainstream ng operating system or OS na may maayos na pagpapatubad ng flexible security model na naka-base sa access control list. Ayun lang po.
The next is lightweight. So, bakit nga ba lightweight si ReactOS? So, si Windows ay ginawa si ReactOS bilang lightweight or kinonstruct siya through thin materials. So, kahit ganun yung pag-build sa kanya, still powerful operating system pa din siya. So, si ReactOS ay kino-compare sa dating operating system na si Windows 95 dahil tinatawag din siyang lightweight. Pero, si ReactOS ay mas updated at mas maraming new features kaysa sa Windows 95. The next is reliable. So, bakit nga ba reliable si ReactOS? So, si ReactOS ay consistent siya at robust operating siya. Means, it doesn't break easily. So, si ReactOS ay di siya basta-basta nasisira o nai-interact. Si ReactOS ay katulad din siya ng ibang operating system like Unix, BMS, NS2, at NT. So, si ReactOS ay isang bagong plataforma na kung saan compatible siya sa lahat.
So, I'm going to discuss the next slide, which is portability. So, ReactOS portability is the XP successor people ask for. The ReactOS operating system design is able to provide portability across families of processors such as Intel x86 and even provide portability across different processor architectures such as CISC or what we call complex instruction set computer and RISC, which means reduced instruction set computer. So the next slide is what we call extensible. ReactOS is flexible and extensible by design. ReactOS is probably one of the most versatile operating system platforms, especially thanks to its NT kernel and the open source nature. ReactOS can be extended with the help of so-called subsystems to provide support for legacy applications from other platforms. For example, is what we call POSIX or Portable Operating System Interface Subsystem. would provide a compatibility layer with various flavors of Unix applications. So next is object-based. So React OS is not an object-oriented system in the strictest sense of the term, but it does use objects to represent internal system resources. Software objects are a combination of computer instructions and data that model the behavior of things real or imagined in the world. Unix operating system adhere to the file metaphor, and devices such as printers, storage devices, keyboards, and monitors all appear as ordinary files to both programmers and regular users. This simplifies many routine tasks and is a key component in the extensibility of the system.
And for the React operating system features, React OS operating system have features like application manager. React OS has a dedicated application manager where you can get already tested and certified third-party apps from the repository. They also have file search, VLC, XNView. XNView is an efficient multimedia viewer, organizer, and converter for Windows. React OS also have a LibreOffice Writer. This LibreOffice Writer is like a Microsoft Word. They also have LibreOffice Calc, which is like Microsoft Excel, and the Fox It Reader 7 is a PDF file viewer. React OS also have a virtual PC 2007, 7-zip, Explorer++, and FileZilla, which is a free and open source cross-platform PFT FTP application consisting of FileZilla client and FileZilla server, and so on. Thank you.